Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Kids Learning Loop. Today, we're learning all about addition with regrouping. Are you ready? Let's go. Addition is when we put numbers together to find the total. But sometimes, when we add, we get a number bigger than 9 in one place value. That's when we need to regroup or carry over. Let's start with an easy one. Let's add 31 plus 42. We'll add the ones place first. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 4 equals 7. The answer is 73. That was easy because we didn't have to regroup. Now, let's try a bigger challenge. We will add 47 plus 36. Watch closely. 47 plus 36. First, we add the ones. 7 plus 6. That equals 13. But wait, we can't put 13 in the ones place because it's a two-digit number. We put the 3 in the ones place and carry over the 1 to the tens place. Step 2, add the tens place. Now, let's add the tens. 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals 8. Our final answer is 83. Example 2. 285 plus 167. Ready for a bigger challenge? Let's add 285 plus 167. Step 1. Add the ones place. 5 plus 7 equals 12. We keep the 2 in the ones place and carry the 1 to the tens place. Step 2. Add the tens place. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Plus 1 more is 15. We keep the 5 in the tens place and carry the 1 to the hundreds place. Step 3. Add the hundreds place. 2 plus 1 equals 4. Our final answer is 452. Now it's game time. I will give you a math problem and you will try to solve it before I reveal the answer. Problem 1. 59 plus 78 equals. Problem 2. 243 plus 158 equals. Let's look at the answers. Problem 1. 59 plus 78 equals. Answer 137. Problem 2. 243 plus 158 equals. Answer 401. Math is all around us. Did you know you use addition with regrouping every day? When shopping, you add prices together. When traveling, you add distances. When planning a party, you add up decorations and guests. Wow, you are now an addition with regrouping expert. Let's do a quick recap. We learned how to add with and without regrouping. We practiced two-digit and three-digit addition. We played a fun math game. We saw real-life uses of regrouping. Great job, Math Star! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun math lessons. See you next time!